ready to explore the future of road travel with the all-new 2025 GMC Motorhome. This revolutionary model blends rugged capability with modern luxury, offering travelers a mobile lifestyle unlike anything you've seen before. Welcome back to Honest Auto Reviews, where we bring you the latest and most in-depth looks at the vehicles redefining the road. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 GMC Motorhome, a modern marvel in the world of recreational vehicles, engineered to deliver both luxury and performance in one stunning package. The 2025 GMC Motorhome makes a bold first impression with its sleek, aerodynamic exterior and upgraded LED lighting system. From the outside, it's clear GMC wasn't playing it safe. This motorhome boasts a futuristic design that balances elegance and utility, setting it apart from anything else on the highway. The chassis has been fully reworked for stability and strength, ensuring a smooth ride, even on uneven terrain. Whether you're cruising down the interstate or tackling a rough back road, the drive feels impressively refined. Step inside, and you'll be welcomed by a completely redesigned interior that reflects GMC's push toward premium comfort. The 2025 model offers a spacious, open-concept layout with residential quality furniture, smart climate control, and noise-reducing materials throughout. The living area features a large wraparound couch, 4K Smart TV, and customizable LED lighting. The kitchen comes fully equipped with stainless steel appliances, an induction cooktop, a convection oven, and a full-size refrigerator. All countertops are finished in durable yet luxurious solid surface material. One of the standout features is the master bedroom. With a full queen-sized bed, plenty of wardrobe space, ambient lighting, and dual-zone AC, it's designed for relaxation after a long drive. The bathroom is equally impressive, offering a full shower with high water pressure, a modern vanity, and even a built-in washer-dryer combo in higher trims. You can live on the road without compromising the comforts of home. Under the hood, the 2025 GMC Motorhome is powered by a powerful yet efficient Duramax turbo diesel engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. With up to 450 horsepower and impressive torque, it handles towing and hills with ease. Despite its size, fuel efficiency has been improved thanks to the lightweight materials and aerodynamic enhancements. GMC also offers advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system to make driving and parking this large vehicle safer and more convenient. Tech lovers will appreciate the digital control panel that manages everything from battery levels to lighting, climate, and even water usage. It's all connected through a smartphone app, allowing full control at your fingertips. Solar panels on the roof and a robust battery management system make off-grid living easier than ever. In terms of pricing, the 2025 GMC Motorhome comes in multiple trims, starting from the mid-$150,000 range, going up to well over $200,000 depending on features. While it's not the cheapest option on the market, the quality, features, and performance you get make it worth every dollar if you're serious about RV life. To sum it up, the 2025 GMC Motorhome delivers a perfect mix of luxury, practicality, and power. Whether you're a weekend explorer or a full-time traveler, this motorhome is built to elevate your journey. If you're ready to turn the road into your home, this might just be your next dream ride. Thanks for watching Honest Auto Reviews. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 GMC Motorhome, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Safe travels.